And every time you pressure God beyond the scope of what he wants for your life, there comes a time where he lifts you to get what you think you want. But my friends, you can get what you want, but you may not want what you get. Yeah, this is for the Gen Z folks. You may get what you want, but you may not want what you get. So the children of Israel, God allowed them, God gave them a king against his desire. And you see, every time God allows you to have something less than what he wants for you, because you struggle and you pester him for it, you end up with less than his best for your life. I wonder how many of us are living with something less than what God has for us in life. The reason some of us are frustrated in life is because we ended up with less than what God intended. And so God gives them Saul the king, tall, dark, handsome guy. But God gave him very little margin of failure. And so when Saul made mistakes, God was quick to kick him away. Because when you end up with what God did not intend for you, you end up losing it anyway.